And that's broken up by the defender before the cross could come in. Crisp defending there.
A chance for the equaliser.
Good work by the goalkeeper. Well, the ball's been deflected out, so it'll be a throw-in.
And they've spread it out wide here.
Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. Trying to find a way through here, probing away.
And the goalkeeper can take charge now. Saw the pass coming and got there first.
Oh, charged down. Sergio Busquets takes over and is moving forward.
And this is going to be a throw. Barcelona used to being in front. Maybe the target now is just to hold that lead till half-time.
Yeah, I think definitely. They have missed one or two chances, though. They could be further ahead.
And now the shot! And now the goalkeeper can maybe think about starting an attack. And it's gone out for a throw. Well, it's got away from him.
Well, it's an important area to win back the ball, that.
Good vision.
In on the goalkeeper.
He's overhit it, really.
There was a chance to get a player in then.
Trying to thread a pass through, but not successful.
There's some potential in this move.
Luis Suarez. Coutinho. Good challenge. He's been forced just to knock the ball forward by the press.
Untidy work.
It's a good game, this, because Barcelona aren't having it all their own way, although they do lead. It's quite an even contest. Half-time approaching. Oh, the wide man can show his skills here. Chance to cross it. That's an easy cutout for the opposition, saw the pass coming.
The shot's on!
He's blocked the shot well. Shots on here. Hit it hard, but not very true.
Sergio Roberto.
Sergio Busquets. Ivan Rakitic. Well, the signal's gone up for 2 minutes. Bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. Was good progress with this attack. Vidal.
And that's half-time. Signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half. Second half starts here in the Spanish Cup.
Well, I'm looking forward to it because the first half promised plenty.
Luis Suarez. He's got it away. And now Messi.
Alvaro. Able to cut that out with some sharp movement.
He made that look like a poor pass with a very good interception.
Alvaro. It's a poor touch and the possession's gone away.
Throw in to come.
Thoughts on Luis Suarez in the first half, Alan?
Yeah, it was a good first 45 minutes from the lad. Got the ball rolling with that goal, and he's been central to most of the good things his team has done.
Coutinho. Luis Suarez. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change.
Now this is an interesting attack.
And that'll be a throw.
It's going to be a double substitution.
Samuel Umtiti. Jordi Alba. Piqué. Good challenge.
That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Just a mistake, really. It's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just a mishit pass.
Luis Suarez.
Just checking out nearer the touchline to get the ball is Coutinho. Well, he took it on, Alan, didn't he, from a tight angle.
Trying to catch the keeper unawares, I think.
That's Piqué with the interception.
Striding forward, purposefully. Busquets!
The keeper can deal with that. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now.
He's got his shot off now.
Arturo Vidal.
The officials are a bit concerned
With the heaviness of the rain half an hour or so ago, they're always concerned whether the ball can be moved freely and whether it's safe to play in that respect.
Yeah, but I think all the fans, some of whom were getting a bit wet, they love to see it. The sliding tackles coming in on a slick surface.
Very hard for the defending team to do anything with the ball in these circumstances.
What about this for a shot? Optimistic.
Coutinho. Oh, well done, the goalkeeper, and he's hung on to the ball. And it's going to be his throw here. Time ticking on. Just over 15 minutes to go.
And the away team want to make a change.
Excellent pressure. They should be able to build from here in midfield.
Good forward play from them. Ivan Rakitic.
It's Messi. Rakitic! Rakitic! Tried to keep it down, but couldn't.
If he had have, I think the keeper might have been struggling there.
It's been a joy watching Barcelona, it invariably is, but the opposition have given them a good game and brought some of the qualities out that they might not have needed against a weaker opponent. Still just
Suarez! Oh, it's a tremendous goal. It's a terrific goal at a terrific time, and it should seal the win.
just widen the margin here to 2-0.
Well, the clock's showing 9 minutes left to play.
Not rushing it here. Moving from one side to the other.
Got it back. And now the shot! Shot blocked here. Coutinho. Pretty late, the challenge. Well, that's late. He's going to have to get booked for that, I'm sure.
Yeah, a silly challenge. And, you know, if he ends up getting sent off, he's only got himself to blame.
Arturo Vidal.
It's Messi. Now he's looking for support. Oh, can he get it away here? And that's dealt with the problem. Caballero. He's through. Good block.
Luis Suarez. Sergio Busquets.
And here they are on the attack. And in he goes with the tackle.
And the ball knocked away long. 2 more minutes to be played then, added time.
Good interception there. And there we are, the final whistle has gone here. The referee's called a halt at 2-0. Well, that's a really good...
I'm a skeptic, their eyes set in. But I'd like to believe that somebody could be authentic. I'm a cynic, my harshest critic. But I'd like to believe I could open my heart and let someone in it. Seems like everybody's moving mouths, but